Hi guys, welcome back here to Drone Emotion, a channel where we do drone videos and where we cover the most relevant drone news. Today we're back here guys with another video with breaking news for all of you. Today DJI just released 3 brand new drones. That's right, in less than 24 hours. And in today's video we're going to be sharing with you all of the information that you need to know about these 3 new drones from DJI. But before we get started, make sure that if you guys want to participate in our next giveaway, you subscribe here in the channel. And how big the prize is? Well, the prize will be determined by how much of your support we get here in the channel. So if we get little support in the channel, probably we'll give away a case, a landing pad, or some filters. But if the support that we get is just simply amazing, well, we might even go ahead and give away another drone. So if you guys want to see more giveaways here in the channel, make sure that you guys support the channel, make sure you subscribe to show me that you guys want to see more of this kind of stuff. So with that being said, let's dive right into today's video because it's a very exciting one, guys. Today DJI just presented 3 drones. That's right. Well, you might be wondering which drones am I even talking about. Well, DJI just launched the DJI T30, the DJI T20, and the T10. That's right, and we're going to be sharing all of the info you need to know about these 3 drones from DJI. So you might be a little confused about what I'm talking about. Well, unfortunately, these are not consumer drones. What we're talking about here is an agricultural drone. So I'm gonna go ahead and share the pictures of these new drones. Right here on screen we have the Acros T30 and the T10, my friends. Okay, so these drones just got launched in China, in Shenzhen, okay, and the T30 is simply amazing. It's made out of carbon fiber. It has a lot of new tech packed into it. So I'm not going to go super in detail with the specs because this is not a consumer drone that I know most of you guys will not be getting. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cover just the brief info you need to know about. So the T30, it will have a price of $8,300. So $8,300 for the T30 and $5,400 or $5,400 for the T10. Okay, and here's the bummer for these 2 drones. Unfortunately, these drones will only be available in China as of now. Okay, so that's a little unfortunate. For now, let's hope that DJI brings them to the rest of the world. But now let's talk about the DJI Agras T20. So the T30 and the T10, they were not presented officially by DJI, okay, on their website, no, but they were presented in China, okay. But now let's talk about the Agras T20. This one was actually presented in DJI's Facebook page, on their Twitter, and on their YouTube account. So I'm gonna go ahead and share a picture of this drone right here on screen. So there we have it, the DJI Agras T20, another agricultural drone. So all of these drones are meant to do agriculture and also some fertilize, okay? So I think they will have great success, especially because these drones have been used throughout this whole pandemic, especially the Agras T16, which was the original one. It has been used a lot to fertilize and kill the virus. So I think these drones from DJI are going to have great success, and the DJI Agras T20 will actually be available worldwide. So those are the news that we have for all of you guys in today's video. These 3 new drones were presented by DJI in less than 2 days. That's right, and I mean, we've never seen this before, but DJI delivered us and they gave us 3 brand new drones for the agricultural sector. Those are great news, and that's all we have for you in today's video. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Drone Emotion signing out.